On example 3, we have an application here again. It says the average rainfall in California for the last 100 years is 23 inches. However, the rainfall can differ by 10 inches from the 100-year average. What is the range of the rainfall for California? And I think we want to write an absolute value. So I'm going to say this. It's going to be my variable, x, minus what I want it to be, is going to be less than or equal to, in this case, it could be greater than or equal to sometimes, but in this case it's less than or equal to your tolerance. We've done this before, except we did it with an equation. Now we're going to do it with an inequality. So I'm going to say the absolute value of x, I want it to be 23 inches. Okay? But it can be off by as much as 10 inches. So now there's your absolute value inequality. And so we can solve this, and I can say negative 10 is less than or equal to x minus 23, which is less than 10. Then what we're going to do is we'll add 23 to both sides. In this case, all three sides. So negative 10 plus 23 is 13, which is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 33. So we could have any range, you could have a range of rain from 13 inches to 33 inches. Okay, let's take a look at example 4, one with a greater than sign. So with a greater than sign, we write the first one just like we see it without the absolute value. So 3n plus 6 is greater than or equal to 12, or 3n plus 6. Since I'm going to make it opposite of 12, I'll flip the sign so it's less than or equal to negative 12. Now we solve each inequality independently. So the opposite of adding 6, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. I think I'm going to solve both at the same time here. So I bring down the 3n is greater than or equal to 12 minus 6, which is 6, or bring down the 3n less than or equal to negative 18. Then I'll divide everything by 3 in both inequalities. So I'll get n is greater than or equal to 2, or n is less than or equal to negative 6. So in other words, on my graph, on my number line, I want my number line to go from negative 6 to positive 2. So I'm going to put a closed circle on 2. I'm going to shade to the right. Closed circle on negative 6. Shade to the left. And that's all you have to do a problem on that.